brothers and sisters, as for this year's community's theme, it's all about rejoice, praise, and give thanks. Huwag natin kakalimutan po yun. Let us remember every day, let us rejoice for all His blessings, for all the things that He has done for us. Let us always pray for every